In this experiment, we are going to separate petroleum by fractional distillation and study the properties of the petroleum fractions obtained. First, place some mineral wool into the bottom of a hard glass boiling tube. Using a dropper, add 3 cubic centimeters of petroleum to the mineral wool. Arrange the setup as shown. Place a test tube, receiver tube, in a beaker of water with some ice added. Then, heat the boiling tube gently with a small Bunsen flame. Move the flame to and fro to give a uniform heating. Collect the distillate with a boiling point range between room temperature and 100 degrees Celsius. Call this fraction 1. Remove the receiver tube and stopper it. Name this as tube 1. Apply a stronger flame. Use another test tube to collect the distillate, fraction 2, with a boiling point range between 100 degrees Celsius and 150 degrees Celsius. Remove the receiver tube and stopper it. Name this as tube 2. Repeat the previous step to collect the fraction 3, boiling point range between 150 degrees Celsius and 200 degrees Celsius, and the fraction 4, boiling point range between 200 degrees Celsius and 250 degrees Celsius, respectively. Name these as tubes 3 and 4, respectively. Observe the colour of the petroleum fractions. Stopper the test tube containing the petroleum fraction. Tilt the test tube and see how quickly the fraction flows. Add a drop of petroleum fraction onto a piece of filter paper. Start the stopwatch immediately. Stop the stopwatch when the fraction evaporates completely. Compare the time required for each fraction to evaporate. Place an evaporating dish on a heat-resistant mat in the fume cupboard. Add 5 drops of petroleum fraction onto the evaporating dish. Ignite the fraction with a burning splint. See how easily it ignites. Observe the colour and the sootiness of the flame.